Fort Bend ISD, a middle school teacher, is making sure his students have a head start with their finances. I found out he says everyone has the tools for success.
Who says technology is bad? Our Invest in Yourself students conducted a workshop where they taught Keller Williams Realty agents how to use social media to increase their business. Entrepreneurship is a huge part of our curriculum. It's important that our students realize that it's important to have 2, 3, or even 4 streams of income. So we created our own version of Shark Tank, and our students competed in a business plan competition. At the end of the year banquet, we gave out $2,000 to help fund our students' ideas and businesses. This is amazing as they were able to start their businesses right now. We don't want our students to wait till they're older to begin dreaming and to start their businesses. We want them to begin now. It is never too early. Some of our students' businesses included clothing companies, shoe consignment companies, as well as creating their own app. Our district and superintendent even supports our cause and even bought a shirt. We even work with Texas Southern University's TRIO summer program for their high schoolers. Budgeting is also a big part of our program. We went to Briargate Elementary and worked with the after-school program, The Gems. In our program, it's an earn while you learn philosophy, so that means our students get paid a stipend for attending the program. To promote saving, our students have to deposit those funds into a custodial savings account, which their parents help them open. Half of those funds they get to keep in their bank account, the other half they have to invest into the stock market. One of our favorite field trips is the Rice University El Paso Financial Center. For the past several years, our students got to come here, talk business, and learn about stocks and cryptocurrency. The director of the program loves investing in yourself and thinks our students have unlimited potential. Thanks to our relationship with the Department of Collaborative Communities, we're able to team up with the Houston Rockets for a financial literacy pep rally. Our students are able to learn about FICO scores, credit, debt from representatives at Brazos Valley Schools Credit Union. You should have seen how engaged our students were and the questions they asked. Our students also learn lessons of financial planning from professional retirement specialists. Our students placed first out of 456 teams in a region-wide stock market competition. We were given $100,000 of simulated money and turned it to $147,000 in just 9 months. Incredible. My reward for them doing such an amazing job in the competition, I took 2 of those students and their parents to New York City, to Wall Street. We spent 3 days in the financial district and touring the city. We even set up a meeting with the venture capitalists of a multi-million-dollar company. My students got to pitch their ideas and got some words of wisdom. It is so important that we teach our youth how to invest. This is the only way we're going to change our communities, break the cycle, and create generational wealth.
Perception is, I don't have enough money to start investing. I have hundreds of dollars, I don't have thousands of dollars. You see how much this and that? I don't need that. Like you said, if I got $10, if I got $20, $25, whatever y'all spending y'all Jordans, if I bought $200 pair of Jordans, I could buy me a share of a company. The Jordans that everybody gonna have the same pair, they're not gonna wear them a month from now, but I could have bought a piece of a company and I could be making money while I'm sitting in class.
Our students not only learn about the stock market, but they participate in it. They become shareholders in Fortune 500 companies and make money in their sleep. For the last 2 years, we have one huge financial literacy workshop where my students teach the community how to invest. This is so important because my students know that you have to pay it forward. We don't keep the information for ourselves. Once you learn it, it's important to educate our members of the community because we're the ones that's going to change it. Over the last 2 years, we have had close to 250 members of the community attend our workshops. This year we wanted to switch it up. We wanted to take our show on the road. This meant going to different high schools, middle schools, and elementary schools. We are just getting started. It is our mission to educate the community on financial literacy, which include but not limited to budgeting, credit, debt, saving, investing, entrepreneurship. With these components, we hope to have our students become productive members in this global society. Our students even had the opportunity to present at our district's assistant principals meeting and teach them how to invest into the stock market. Wow. So, with all that being said, it's one thing that we want you to remember.
What do we do each and every day?